In this video we will take a look at advanced masking in InstaMAT using the Mesh Normal Mask. And the Mesh Normal Mask generates a mask using the Mesh Surface Normals. It expands the selection over all connected faces based on similar surface orientation. As an example, I choose this guitar here. And especially this part here really shows what the mask can do. So at first, let's add a new multi-channel layer. To add the Mesh Normal Mask, you can go to this icon here. As you can see, I'm using it quite often and I have it under recently used here already. But if you don't see it here, just go to Pick from Library, type in Mesh Normal Mask and double click the mask. And now let's say I want to mask out this outer ring here. I just go to Pick Area and then pick the part. Let's visualize it a bit nicer. So I go back to my multi-channel layer and I change the color to maybe red. Let's also make it a bit nicer. Let's enable the roughness channel and I want to have it shiny and also metallic. And as you can see, I now have only this part masked out, but at the other sides, it's still the old color. So let's go back to the Mesh Normal Mask. What we could do is to pick additional areas. But in this case, it's not really necessary, so let's cancel that. And let's pick our initial part here. Now I can just use the angle tolerance parameter here to increase or decrease my angle tolerance. Let's type in 15. And as you can see, it really quickly masked out those parts as well, at the top and at the bottom. This part is still missing, so let's try to increase the tolerance a bit. Let's type in 20. And this looks perfect now. Let's also take a look at the untextured guitar to show you how we can really quickly and easily mask out whole regions. So let's add a new multi-channel layer. Then I'll add my Mesh Normal Mask. I go to Pick Area and pick the part here. So as you can see, this is really clean. Let's duplicate this layer. And change the color to something maybe red. Let's go to the Mesh Normal Mask. Let's pick this area here. Again, really clean. And when I go to the angle tolerance and right click, I can maximize the control here. That makes it easier to dial in my values. Let's do it like this. So we quickly masked out the guitar's body here. And as everything is procedural, I can go back to this mask. And I want to have the edge here influenced as well. So I go to angle tolerance as well. And bump it up. Perfect. Let's duplicate this layer again. And use a yellow color. Let's go to the Mesh Normal Mask. Let's pick this area here. Again, perfect results in seconds basically. And let's also do this with the top part. So I'll duplicate again. I'll make it green. Go to Mesh Normal Mask, pick area, pick this one. Let's focus. Let's again go to angle tolerance and adjust that. And here we have a perfect result. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaMAT, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.